Hello and welcome back to Helen's Homemade Kitchen. I know it's been a few weeks since I've posted a video. I've been super busy, as I know everybody else in this world has been. And I wanted to do something special coming back. So I'm having frozen s'mores. Yes, that campfire treat that you love so much that we can't go outside for. We can certainly make it indoors and frozen, so it's delicious during the summertime, with all the ingredients of love that you would love in a s'more. So there are 6 ingredients to this, and of course I will let you know if there's any substitutions along the way. So the first thing we need to do is make the pudding part. Okay, you will need at least 6 ounces of chocolate pudding. I'm using 8, only because, you know, the more chocolate the better. They're each going to be in different layers, so if you make them a little different, that is fine. You can make less, you can make more. This will make a full 13 by 9 sheet pan full of s'mores, frozen s'mores. So we're gonna start off with that, and I will put my marshmallow portion away, and you only need 2 parts of this. You need chocolate and you need milk. So we're gonna make the pudding. I like to make it a little less milk so it's nice and thick. So this normally, my package calls for 2 cups per box. I'm putting in, so that would mean it would need to be 2 plus 2 is 4. That's right. But I'm gonna put 3 cups. The reason why is to make it nice and thick so that it doesn't ooze out of the sandwich. So we're gonna put these packages in there, and then we're gonna mix it up. So just pour in the milk slowly. So the fun thing is you can mix this up with the kids, have them stir, pour in the box. This is a very kid-friendly dish, and you should be happy to do it with them. Something to do on the weekends. Many of us, even though summer's starting school again soon, or already, many are doing digital, so in between their classes, after they're done with their homework, these are great things that you can do with your kids. So once the pudding will get nice and thick, and it already has, so once you get it to a certain thickness and consistency, we'll stop stirring. I can stir all day. We'll put that away. And then you want to get out your sheet pan, and you want to line it with a parchment paper. Now you want the paper to go over the lip. I need another one. You want your parchment paper to go over the lip of your pan. Now you could also use a casserole dish that has a high lip, you know, or whatever kind of container, as long as it fits in the freezer and it is big enough to make your sandwiches. Okay, so once we have it completely covered, now you know it'll dip down once it gets poured into. Put that to the side. We're gonna pour our We're gonna take our pudding and we're gonna put it inside of the baking tray. okay, onto the parchment paper. And you may come across some pockets that you may have missed with the dry ingredients. Just try to mix it before you put it in. Okay. And we'll smooth it out, you know, much like you would do brownies. You want to get it all spread out to each corner, okay? Nice and even. Now we're gonna pop this in the freezer for a couple minutes while we start our marshmallow mixture to put on top, and you know, we'll be ready to go. Hello and welcome back. So now we're going to do the marshmallow layer of the s'mores, of the frozen s'mores. And the first thing we need to do is we have Fluff. Now you can also get Jet Puff marshmallow, but you'll need, how much is this? 7 ounces. Okay. And that's usually a small container. I had a big jar of Fluff, so I just measured it out. It's about 2.5 cups if you're doing it like that. It's better to measure because it's really sticky. As you can see, it's hard for me to even pull it out of the container that I tried to measure it out of. This is sticky, but with good reason. You're gonna need that when you're putting this whole sandwich together, and of course marshmallow in general is sticky, so that's okay. So we're gonna take that, and then we're gonna take 4 ounces of cream cheese, or half a block, okay, and we're gonna mix those together. So you can use a hand mixer if you don't have a stand mixer. You're just gonna mix it to level line. Form, we're gonna take it off, and we're gonna fold in the Cool Whip, as my brother would say. Cool Whip. So you want Cool Whip or whipping cream, like frozen whipping cream, and you're going to just fold it together. Super simple. Okay, so take about half at a time and just stir it up. Okay, try to break it and fold it. So the pudding has been sitting in the freezer for about 20 minutes. You know, it's a good solid consistency, and there's a reason why you want it on the parchment paper and on this tray. You're gonna need another tray too when you flip it over. So the first thing we're gonna do, let's not get ahead of ourselves, is we're gonna take the marshmallow mixture, we're gonna put it on top of the pudding, and then we're gonna spread it. It's a little less sticky because of the Cool Whip. but it may still be sticky, so just be careful. And of course, bowls can be licked. There is no egg in this, no uncooked egg or anything like that. So for those fingers at the end that like to lick bowls, you know who you are. These are perfect for people like you. Okay? So now's the fun part. You get to stack the graham crackers. You got to break the graham crackers into squares, okay? So you have the half, break it in half, you'll have squares, and you're going to start stacking them all the way down, leaving a little bit of space because you're going to need to cut in between, okay? So usually it's about 4. It's perfect. Just break these up in halves. This is a good job for the children, okay? And if they break, that's okay. You know, listen, this would be perfect with just crumbles on top of it. So this should make about 24 sandwiches. Okay, perfect. All right. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have to flip this over so we can get graham crackers on the other side. But before we do that, we're gonna cut these. Okay. All right, so what you need is a nice long, and parents, you should be the one to do this, a nice long straight knife, okay? If you have a chef's knife or something of that sort, that would be great. Cut it straight down. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get another tray, flip it over. This way, put sandwiches on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna get another tray, and then we're gonna get some more parchment paper. Okay. Okay. Take this one, put it on top of this one, and then flip. Okay. Now the pudding side is up, and we're going to peel that off. Okay. Now we're gonna put the cookies, the rest of the graham crackers on the other side. Okay. Perfect. Now you have your perfect s'more sandwich. Now these can be frozen. You can eat them now. They'll be a little sticky and a little soft, but freeze them for about 6 hours. Perfect for dinner. They're also, when you freeze them, the longer you have the sandwich with it, it'll soften it a little bit, much like a ice cream sandwich that you would buy from the store, but this one you made at home and you know what ingredients are in there. And, it might be sweet and everything else, but these are so much better for you than buying something with 25 different chemicals in it. And, it's fun for kids to make. They'll love it. It's delicious. I'm going to try it on my brother right now because he absolutely loves s'mores, and I think he'll love this. Hey, Joey, do you want to come and try this?
Yeah.
Come and
S'mores.
Yes, s'mores. Come try it. Let everybody know what you think.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Come try it. Take a bite.
Chocolate on it too?
Yeah, chocolate pudding and marshmallow. A little sticky, right? It'll be a nice little bit more frozen. We'll have some more later. Good?
Yeah.
This is your new favorite thing.
Yep.
It's marshmallow and pudding and graham crackers. Good?
Yep.
All right, you gonna finish the rest of that? Go ahead.
Yep.
All right. See, there you have it. Like, if it's Joey approved, that's all I need to hear. Okay? So I hope you guys try this and let me know what you think. Leave some comments in the section below. If you try this, if you need, more help, if you have any other ideas, please let me know. Like and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.